Guys, and welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can block the number in the Motorola phone. So at the start, open the app dialer, and now if you have any call in the history, you can do it from this place. But if you want to, I will show you for example. Okay, and now if you want to block this number, just hold the finger and choose block and report spam. Now just tap on the block, and that's it. But if you want to block any contact, just open the contact list, choose the desired one, like this one, and click on the 3-dot icon. Now choose block numbers and block. That's it. Thanks for watching, leave us a subscribe or a comment, and goodbye.